Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you another easy but special breakfast option which all your family members will enjoy. Have you ever heard of Shakshuka meal? Shakshuka, yeah, it's a Turkish meal mainly made up of tomato sauce with poached egg. In today's video, I'm going to be making a modified version with eggs whisked into the tomato sauce. It's a sauce you would enjoy with any tuber like yam or potato, or even with just white rice. And it's appetizing yet nutritious for your body. The ingredients I've got are the tomato, which is just chopped and not blended, onion. I've got a full bulb of onion. You could use more. I've just gone with one. Long pepper, chili pepper. I've got the red and the green chili pepper because I like some kick to my food. And the main one is the egg. So we'll be eating it with fried yam in this from this video. Really, it's just a Saturday meal for us, and we just want to enjoy it with some fried yam. Once we're done with this video, you definitely give me a thumbs up based on its quick preparation and yumminess. We'll go ahead and blend the peppers, half bulb of onion or more if you love onions. I'll be using the liquid tomato paste as the base instead of adding any water to the blender. I'm using the food processor, which I've already shown you in my previous video. Please drop me a message if you would love to see a full review of this processor. So that's me adding that, all the peppers, the onion and the chili that I've just chopped a bit so that I can pulse it easily in the processor. So as you can see here, I will be pulsing it in the blender. I'll be using the pulse function rather than, even if I use the number 3, I'm just going to use it for very quick, just using it as quickly as possible, just so that I still have it as coarse as it could be rather than pureed. I'll then go ahead to just do that. So as you can see, I don't really want it to pureed. I'm just gonna make it just as coarse as it can be because I just like that heaviness in the meal. Go ahead and mix it with the chopped tomatoes because I'll be frying up everything. So I've diced the remaining onion. I'm ready to fry my eggs, or the sauce rather. I just whisk the egg. Now I'll go ahead to fry the sauce and the egg. Just enough oil, you don't need a lot. Oil in your onion. Allow it to sizzle and saute a bit. Add some turmeric or other spice that you would like. I added for the health benefits that I gained from it. You can skip this, of course, the turmeric I mean. Once you've sauteed your onions, you can always go ahead to add your tomato pepper blend. So it's quite sauteed like I would like it. So I'll go ahead to pour my tomato blend, or tomato / pepper blend. Go ahead and stir it, let it fry at least for up to 10 minutes or until the tomato has lost most of its sour taste. You would definitely know it when you've tasted it this way that it's still freshly on fire versus when it has reduced the sour taste in the food. Seeing that I like some fresh onions, I've just thrown in some fresh onions as well. And cover it and let it fry. So I've let it fry for about 10 minutes. I'm just going to stir and taste to add, of course, add some of the seasoning. Now I'm just going to be adding some salt to taste, of course. Beef seasoning. And a bit more hot pepper. You can tell I love me some hot spicy food. Stir and taste. At this point, you can just go ahead to add some spinach if you'd like some. I normally would like some, I just didn't have some. But yeah, you can go ahead to add some spinach. They all go a long way to make you a healthy option, you know, a good nutrition for your meals. Well, on the side, I'm just going to start frying the yam because we don't really want the egg sauce to get cold while we're still frying the yam, really. So we want everything well warm, at least. At this stage, you could either use the poached version in the Shakshuka recipe, or you might as well just use the whisked egg in the tomato sauce, which is what I'm just going to do now. So you could eat this with either yam or potato or even rice, like I said. And there are other very healthy options. If you need to have some dip, if you need to use it as a dip, for bread, this can also be used. But we're just going to have ours with yam. It's a Saturday morning. We're going to enjoy some fried tuber. Did you know that it's new yam period? Well, the yam these days, because it's the new season for yam, it still retains its very softness, unlike old yam that is quite hard and tastier. The new yam is also tasty, but we prefer to eat it as a fried menu or meal rather than cooked meal, because of it's quite soft, really. Now just go ahead to pour in the egg into the egg sauce and just let it fry appropriately, and that will be it. Have you liked this video? Please like, share and subscribe. This portion is enough for 4 people, but we're just gonna be 3 of us eating it, so there's quite a lot of portion left. So as you can see, even though it looks quite small, it's quite satisfying and fulfilling. We couldn't even finish it, and that's how good and nutritious it is as a meal. Allow the egg to actually get fried, making sure that every part of it has been heated up. Food is ready, guys. Yeah. G. Yeah. G. Na. Da. Aqua. Aqua. G na aqua. G na aqua. Yes.